singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land. This tribe celebrates. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
and this is Kabibi.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally we have Swade.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, this gentleman right over here thinks I'm the gift, don't you, baby? What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. Well, I think that's Swahili for it's my lucky day.
Oh, everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving here any minute now. And we want them to feel welcome when they get here. So we are going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we're surrounded by animals and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like
Animals, for our beastly pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see, I will take the elephants.
Ooh, I'll take the giraffes.
I'll take lions.
I'll take the warthog. You are going to help me take this warthog section. Come right on up here with me. All right, ladies. All right. We'll stay right here, okay? We're just going to lead our section. All righty, now listen up, because my new friend is going to demonstrate the sounds that we as fellow warthogs are going to make. So we'll go ahead and just face center. And I need you to put your fingers by your face to be your tusks. Yeah. And now make a snorty warthog sound. All right. That was pretty good. You need a tissue? No, you're okay. I'm embarrassed enough. All right, warthogs, tusks up, and on the count of 3, I want to hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. Now that was the most disgusting sound I have ever heard, but I love it.
All right, lion section, here we go. It is our turn. I've got my new friend Cole here with me. He's 5 years old today, all the way from Boston. Yes, indeed. And he's going to show us his best lion imitation. All right, Cole, paws up. All right, now let's hear it. Wow, ferocious. Good job, Cole. All right, stay right here with me. We're going to turn around and help the crowd, okay? Turn around this way. All right, you all get the idea. On the count of 3, let's see some lions. 1, 2, 3. Now that's a lion.
Time for the elephant we have so rad all the way from Indiana. He's going to be our leader today, my brother. Arm in the air for the elephant's trunk like this. And now, let's hear that elephant call. That's an elephant I'll never forget. Good job. Our turn. Trumps up. On the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the mighty Pachyderm.
All right, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, I have a little prince from Indiana. This is Sam. He is going to give us his best giraffe impression. Ready, giraffe, go.
I don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. I didn't know either. So I looked it up, and it said a low bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. Want to try again? Ready, go. There you go. Perfect. Okay, turn around. Let's have the rest of the group. All right, giraffes. Next up in the air and bleat. And there you have giraffe.
Very well then. Now that we know our animal sounds, I think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you are cued and ready to go.
Hey everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful, right on time. Now, on the count of 3, let's use those animal sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Everyone,